dog. We got a mess back here. There, Hannerhead again. Update. Started to rain. You can tell it's all wet out here. But I ended up having to buy a new bolt, put in here, hold this brake caliper on, and in the back here, that sprocket there, all the bolts were loose on it. So I found that out just by rotating the axle, and I was wondering what that rattling noise was, and it was the sprocket was loose. So, yeah, that's the update on that. So here I'm going to put the key in here and see if it starts right up. It's sitting in the rain, so I had it sort of covered. We'll see. It was hard starting yesterday. Oh, started right up. Need to adjust the idle on it. The idle's a little low on it. I think I turned the idle way down. But it started right up. So I must have did it right. Hey, the turn signal's working. No, the left turn signal ain't working. You can see the lights. The left turn signal is working. It's working, but I don't know why this one isn't working. Oh, it's working now. I don't know. Maybe it was the ground. Maybe it was the bad ground. So it started right up. Nice. All right, turn the signal off. Horn is working. Oh, I guess. Is it off? Yeah. All right. This is an update. I still got to take these wheels off here and drain all the brake fluid out of this thing. And try to do something with this master cylinder. So I'm really impressed. Everything works. That's it for now.